Hello everyone, I'm Mehul Sharma and here I'm representing Orgath Laundry Solutions. Orgath provides end-to-end solutions for all your laundry needs, including washers, dryers, chemicals, finishing equipment such as iron tables, foam finishers, spotting equipments, etc. And also we provide the dry cleaning machines based on PERC solvent as well as multi-solvent machines. But today, specifically, we will be briefing you about one of our products, which is Domus. So let's begin. The Domus is an Onera Group brand, which is headquartered in Barcelona, Spain. It is already present in more than 170 plus countries. But here in India, Orgath Laundry Solutions is the exclusive channel partners for Domus machines. Domus supplies washers, dryers, finishing equipment such as flatwork ironers, and much more. So here today we will be briefing you about the Domus washers and dryers. We will give you a summary for the same. Domus washers ranges from 11 to 130 kgs. These all machines are stainless steel built, and on the top of it you will be having the skin plate panels so that the elegance of your machines will never go fade. And also these machines are having the biggest doors in the market, and these doors are reversible so that you can just change it as per your needs. All of the Domus washers are wet cleaning enabled, where you can do all your delicates such as silk, chiffon, georgette, embroidery, wool, linen, etc. These machines are 100% programmable. If you want to make a new program or edit any program, the machine will provide you with a Touch 2.0 panel where you can do everything on your own. Suppose if you want to edit any program or make new program, you can do it here. What are the parameters that we can control inside the machine? Here is the timing. If you want to change the timing, you can easily change it from here. If you want to change the temperature, that also you can change easily. If you want to change the level of the water required for washing, if you want to change the RPM, the drum rotation, the water filling, also the machine supplies 3 of the water filling inlets: the drain, the cool down temperature, the chemical dosing. As I told you, the machine is having the 8 of the inlets for the chemical dosing, and this is also expandable up to 14. So you do not need any programmable pump for the same. If you are having any of the pump, then you can do it in the relay mode, where you can just choose the steps from here and get it done. This is for the water filling rotation, this is for the water drainage rotation. This is the cool down temperature, and this is the step stop feature. So these are the features that you can manage in a single step. The Domus high spin models comes with the highest G-force in the market, which goes up to 500. Even the biggest high spin washers are all freestanding, and because of the highest G-force, you will be having only 40 to 45% of the residual moisture in the garments, which shortens your drying time, saving a lot on the energy. Also, one of the crucial features in the machine is that the machines are having the inbuilt weighing scale, where you can choose your load according to your need for the intelligent consumption of chemicals as well as water. The Domus machines also comes with the USB port, where you can easily install all of your programs. The machines are all IoT enabled. IoT is Internet of Things, where you can easily track your telemetrics, statistics, as well as the data analysis. Like, you can see how much water is consumed, electricity is consumed, chemicals are consumed in a single day, in a month, or in a year. And that's how you can easily plan your operations very efficiently. Now let's get an overview of the Domus dryers. So the Domus dryers are also all stainless steel built. These dryers provides you the reversible drum with the biggest door diameters in the market, provide you an opening of 180 degrees. The Domus dryers are all VFD controlled dryers and not on traditional chain and pulley system. These dryers also have the frequency inverters, with which the RPM of the drum gradually increases just to prevent any damage to your clothes. Domus dryers also have some extraordinary features such as thermal insulation, air recirculation, as well as efficient dry moisture control.
The Domus dryers provides you full flow with optimized axial and radial flow. Also, the dryer comes with full screen filters with wide surface and improved airflow. These dryers provides you the cool down temperature features for the anti-wrinkle at the end of the cycle. The temperature, airflow, cycle time and the machine design. These are the major parameters which are responsible for efficiency of any of the machine. Domus provides a wide range of machines which are used by the dry cleaners, small laundromats, hotels, hospitals, pharma companies, institutional laundries and many more. If you want to get any more information for the Domus machines, then you can visit our website which is orgath.com or you can contact on the contact details mentioned below.